Kia, Steve here, and we're in level 1 of our Is There an Ocean in the House? First topic, salinity. Salt of the earth. Like all topics, we'll have 4 bench tops, 4 practical activities, and some sort of instrument and tool we'll make and use in an experiment. Good old salt, yep. So we're going to be looking at how salinity and density are related, and to get there we're going to explore a fundamental concept in the nature of science, and that is accuracy and precision. We're going to compare density and volume in that process and do a little fun with that. And then through density and buoyancy, we're going to think about how we can build an instrument to get a measure of that buoyancy, which width is proportional to density, and density is proportional to the salinity, will give us a measure of salinity, and that is a hydrometer. Just simple straws, some wax or some surf wax, it's pretty good, and pencils and scale, and we're going to make it and test it. We're going to calibrate it and set it using different salinities, little samples of different seas that represent parts of that world ocean, and explore that. And then we're going to just explore. So, there's 4 fundamental ways of looking at science, and one is suck it and see. Go out there with tools and instruments and explore. Let's try and see if we can measure salinity in different situations. What does it tell us? Then, of course, there's hypothesis, making a statement that we think holds truth value, and then testing that in the real environment or an experimental setting. And then there's modelling, that is using what information we've got to form a predictive representation of what we think the real world is like. Always testing that and improving it, yeah? And then there's meta-analysis, where we collect data and results from a multitude of different models, different experiments, different exploratory data, and pull it together and synthesize it into making meaning about our oceanic world. And what better place to start with our one ocean is with the saltiness, the salinity. Our nature of science concept, we're going to look at, besides precision and accuracy, but the idea of system error, in some ways of approaching system error that can help you in your understanding of science and your practice as we go forward from here. So, let's get into it. Salinity.